Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to change email address on NerdWallet. You can easily change your email address on NerdWallet, which is one of the financial company that helps in money management. To do so, go to any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now, go to your search bar at top and type www.nerdwallet.com, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to NerdWallet's website. Now, make sure that you are logged into your account before you change your email address. After logging in, here you can see My NerdWallet at top right section of the website. Click on My NerdWallet. Then under Account, you can see the option of Settings. Click on Settings. Then here you can see your information regarding your settings. Now scroll down. Then here you can see Change Email Address. Now to change email address, first enter your new email address that you want to use on the given box. After that, enter the correct password of your account on the given box. After entering your password, click on the option of Change Email Address. Now you'll be questioned whether you really want to change your email address to the given email. The new email will be shown. Now click on Yes, Change. With that, your email address will be changed. As you can see on the right side that my email address has been updated successfully, that means my email address has been changed. This is how we can change email address on NerdWallet. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.